English speaking course. One evening, Stacy was working late at her office when Emma called and told her to come home. Emma was worried about Stacy's health because she had been working long hours all week. Stacy happily agreed and said she'd head home soon. However, on her way home, Stacy suddenly felt weak and ended up fainting. Emma rushed to the hospital right after she heard the news. She was pacing back and forth in the waiting room, anxiously waiting for updates on her best friend's condition. Finally, a doctor came up to her.
"Are you here for Stacy?"
"Yes, how is she?"
"I'm sorry to tell you that Stacy has brain cancer. The disease is in the last stage now. She doesn't have much time left."
"What? Are you saying she has cancer? How could that happen? Will she be okay?"
"Now her condition is stable. I know it's hard to accept, but I suggest you spend as much time with her as possible."
Emma nodded, thinking about how unfair life can really be. Emma and Stacy sat in silence for a moment, and Stacy felt so hopeless. She couldn't believe that this was happening to her, especially when she was so young and had so many dreams and ambitions for her future. As she sat there, lost in thought, she wondered what she should do. Thankfully, Emma was a supportive friend who was always there to encourage her. Together, they came up with a bucket list of things they wanted to do before Stacy started her treatment. So during that time, they spent their time traveling overseas, trying new foods, and participating in various activities. It was a month of unforgettable adventures. When they returned home, Stacy had to prepare for her treatment. But before that, she and Emma had a heart-to-heart conversation. They sat together and talked about everything, realizing it might be their last chance to have such a conversation for a while. "Do you remember the day we met when we were kids?" "Yes, I do. You were wearing a yellow dress and we played with my dolls. Those were good times. It's crazy to think that we've been friends for so long." "I know, right? It feels like just yesterday we were in school pulling pranks on our teachers. Speaking of school, I feel like I've been spending too much time at work lately. I haven't been paying enough attention to the life around me." "I understand. I was really worried about you for the whole time." "Really? Why?" "Yes, because you've been so absorbed in your work, and I didn't know how to advise you." I understand now. Unfortunately, it's too late. Actually, there's something I wanted to tell you." "Sure. What is it?" "Well, there's actually a bunch of secrets I've been keeping from you for a long time. But now, before it's too late, I want to tell you." "Really? What kind of secrets?" "Well, do you remember when your hamster died when you were 15? "Yeah, I was so upset. I thought it was sick or something. What was wrong?" "Actually, I accidentally shone a flashlight in its eyes and it died a few days later. I felt terrible, but I just didn't know how to break it to you." "What? I can't believe it. That's so sad." "I know. At that time, I was so afraid that you would be angry with me." "Oh, Stacy." "And there's more." "There's more?" "Yes. When you were 10, I damaged your favorite bike. I said the dog did it, but really it was my fault. And when you were 18, I gave your classmates pictures of you when you were younger." "What? So you were the one who gave everyone those pictures?" "Yeah, I am. I am so sorry, Emma. I didn't mean to hurt you. They laughed at me for a long time. Why would you do that?" "I don't know. I was young and stupid. I didn't think about how it would make you feel. I'm sorry. I can't believe you've been holding on to these secrets without telling me. But you know what? It's in the past now.
We've grown up together and been friends for such a long time. I forgive you, Stacy.
Thank you, Emma. I'm truly sorry for what I did, and I appreciate your forgiveness.
Of course, Stacy. It takes courage to admit your mistakes. And I know you didn't mean to hurt me.
Thank you again, Emma. I feel so relieved to finally get those secrets off my chest. Hello?
Hi, is this Stacy?
Yes, it is. Who is this?
I'm calling from the hospital.
What happened?
We just wanted to let you know that we have reviewed your medical records. It turns out that the doctor misread them with another patient of the same name. We are so sorry about this. You are completely healthy. You just fainted due to physical weakness.
What? That's amazing news!
What's going on?
The hospital just called. They made a mistake with my medical records. I'm completely healthy!
Oh my God, really? You're not sick?
Yes, I'm healthy!
That's fantastic news. Stacy, I'm thrilled for you.
Yes, I can't believe it. This is the best day ever.
I knew it.
What do you mean?
When we were traveling together, you seemed totally fine. Do you remember? You were eating like crazy, even more than usual.
You're right. I feel like I can conquer anything now that I'm back to being healthy. Thank goodness I'm healthy again.
Well, now that you are healthy, we can work out that secret that you've been keeping from me for so long. Number 1. What happened to Stacy on her way home? The answer is C. She felt weak and fainted. Number 2. What did the doctor say about Stacy's condition? B. Stacy has brain cancer. Number 3. What did Stacy accidentally do to Emma's hamster? It's A. She shone a flashlight in its eyes. Number 4. Did Emma forgive Stacy for keeping secrets from her? The answer is yes. Number 5. The hospital made a mistake with Stacy's medical records. True or false? A. True. The doctor misread Stacy's medical records with another patient of the same name. Don't forget to practice your English every day to improve your English level. Watch the video for 1 week. Try to think and speak in English every time. Listen and repeat the lesson out loud to improve your listening and speaking skills fast. Thanks for watching. Please give us a like, share, and comment. Click here for more useful videos.